Okay, so now we're at the front door. If you go from the front door, you will find this map here, right? And we're currently in this position, and our booth is at A23 and 24, which is here. So you turn left from here, and you go all the way to this place. Okay, so when you get here, you want to make a right turn, just this way, and then you go all the way to the end, make a left turn, and then you will see our booth. It's A23 and 24. Okay, so this is our booth from A23 to 24, and our team here is now preparing for everything. So if you're interested, make sure you come tomorrow to see us.